This is the unboxing video of the Nuwave Brio Plus 7 quart. Here is the cozy blue color version. Inside the box, you got the placement notice, the manual book, the recipe book, and quick start guide. To assemble the Brio, first remove the plug cover. Then, remove the tapes on the side of the Brio. Use the handle to pull the base tray straight out from the power base. Remove any paper or cover inside the power base or base tray. After that, put the base tray back to the power base. Remember, it is perfectly normal for your new unit to produce a heated plastic smell when used for the first time. This will go away after the first few uses. Enjoy the Brio Plus 7 quart.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.